and hello, I'm Professor Code, and this is a Forex Supermodel Racing Review for Sunday the 30th of October 2021. Now, we had to have a quick look at yesterday's results for Saturday the 29th. We were at Newmarket on the 358. We had a go at number 7, Keep in Touch, which came second at 5 to 1 SP, beaten by number 1, Kenefron, which won at 11 to 1. We initially got £3 per £8 unit on 5.4, so 11 to 2 roughly, and then we topped it up with another pound at 6.5 to 1. But obviously this is an £8 unit. We're 100 times bigger than that, so we had 300 on at 11 to 2 roughly. Then we had topped it up at another 100 at 6.5, 13 to 2. And we ended up with £4 per £8 unit, £400, 0.5 of a unit exposure, and obviously we lost that. What do we think of that? Well, if you watch the replay, Keep in Touch didn't quite manage to keep in touch. It was up with the pace initially, rolled it back a bit, and then it got squeezed just as it was making a move, which wasn't helpful, and then sort of ran on nicely. And just it had potential to win that horse if you watch the replay anyway. So the account has come down for the 19th consecutive day. We're now down to plus 56.20 units in profit overall from a peak of 72. So 56, that's about 16 units has come off. So significant losing run at the moment. Right, so we've had 10 seconds now at 6, 7 to 1 plus SP. So arguably, so that's just over 50% seconds at decent odds. So anyway, that's that's where we are. We're going to stop it there and write up today's racing. Right, we're back. We've written up today's racing then for Sunday the 30th of the 10th of October. No filter one, which is our structure filter, no ratio, but you have an alternate. It's a Galway National Hunt on the 435. It's National Hunt flat, the bumper, 4-year-old fillies, Pro-Am, 2 mile, 11 yards, heavy. Heavy being the significant point here. We're having to go at 3 horses in that race actually. I think there's 12 in it altogether. We're having to go at number 2, 3 and 4. Number 2, Fortunate Lighting, Fox in the Park, and I Am Shadow, and we've framed it around, we've got £1 per £8 unit on at I Am Shadow at 6 to 1, and £2 per win £8 unit at Fox in the Park, and £1 on this Fortunate Lighting at 18 to 1. So we've got £4 per £8 unit exposure of 0.5, and in our case we're 100 times bigger, so we've got £400 riding on those 3 horses spread around in that format. Right, what do we like about those 3? Well, the key race was their last race really, which was at Tipperary. If you want to have a look at that on the replays, if I can find the chalk. Tipperary. That was the 2nd of the 11th, and that was at 2 miles. It's a National Hunt flat again, and it was 2 miles, and it was good to yielding. And that is the key race for those 3. They were all in that race, and what was it? I Am Shadow came 3rd, Fox in the Park came 5th, and Fortunate Lighting came 6th in that race. Now you're going to get a very different swing on this this Galway race because of the heavy going, and these horses are going to improve, and basically we're fairly keen that you're going to see significant improvement in these Irish flat horses. So bumper horses. So that's what we're up to. So we'll spread it around there, and we'll see how we come out. Where we got decent odds, and we've sort of our preferences for Fox in the Park at 10 to 1. We've got twice the stake on that anyway. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll review that tomorrow, and hopefully we'll break this monster losing run we're having. So and on the Forex front, so Forex, foreign currency. So we've got a week ahead starting on Monday. What have we got on that? Well, we've got China PMIs coming out sort of overnight really, but you can really take most of China's data with a pinch of salt. They just sort of manipulate allegedly manipulate the data according to which way the wind's blowing, really. So we won't be paying much attention to the China data, but you've got German retail sales coming out at about 8 o'clock in the morning GMT, and then you've got European GDP at 11 o'clock. So there's a couple of reasonable events there, and I say we're heading into some significant rates decisions this week and non-farm payrolls. So it's likely to be lively. Expect volatility, and we're going to be trying to get some orders in, filled this time, and make some money on the Forex. So that's what we're up to. So if you subscribe, welcome, and generally thanks for watching, and goodbye.